once again, friends. This is part 1.2, I guess. Here we are in the middle of nowhere in frickin' Nebraska. I just wanted to give y'all a little view of what here I'm seeing. And yes, Mom, I am doing this while I'm driving, so just, just take a deep breath. It's okay. I'm going 55 because it's construction. So this is what I am seeing. I'm just gonna, just slowly so y'all don't get car sick. Oh, look. Oh, there's some horses and some vehicles. And oh, look. I see a road sign. For the love of God, would you look at that, a road sign. And here we're gonna just take a look at Captain. He is not happy. He has not had a sedative, so you can see him panting, which makes me nervous. Let me just tell you that much right now. And it's still 55 because we have a little bit of two-way action here. You see how it's just a two-laner, and that sucks. And I cannot wait to get out of this situation because I'm tired of going only 55 miles an hour in the middle of Nebraska. And it's cloudy as sin, which is sad because it is Easter. I'm just going to have you take a look at this Captain. He's so sad, that poor little princess. He's sad and he's panting. Here, I'll make his mouth go back to normal. Hold on. Okay. Oh, we're going to just push it back up and it's just fine now. No, it's just fine and he's not panting anymore. Well, oh God, I just saw a patch of snow. For the love of God. Where are we? This is in the middle of nowhere, Captain. I know. Next rest stop, I'm going to pull over and I'm going to give him his sedative because, my God, I cannot stand it anymore. And pretty soon we're going to be going 75 again, so then we can get to our destination, which is in Colorado. It's called Craig, Colorado. We gotta go through Wyoming to get there. For the love of God, there's nothing there either, so I can't stand these people. It is not considered at all for those of us who are traveling to Los Angeles. My God. Anyway, there will be more to come, so y'all can just look forward to that and get all excited. But for right now, dang, we're gonna get off at this here rest stop. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Rest stop. Hope y'all can see the rest stop sign. It's in blue. Rest stop. I'm zooming in on it. Oh, it's blocked off. Oh, but we can go 75. I got